Nolo Family Law Document Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think handling family law matters requires expensive legal representation. The surprising truth is that Nolo provides affordable, step-by-step legal documents to guide you through processes like divorce, custody, and child support. Nolo offers family law documents starting at for individual forms or round for comprehensive digital kits, which include attorney review, templates, instructions, and checklists. These cover divorce petitions, parenting plans, child support agreements, and more. For example, a parent navigating a custody arrangement can use Nolo's templates to draft a legally sound parenting plan, submit it to the court, and ensure all necessary information is included. Detailed guidance reduces errors, avoids delays, and keeps costs lower than full attorney representation. Most people get this wrong by assuming DI forms are risky. Nolo's materials are reviewed by legal professionals, ensuring compliance with state laws and helping users complete documents accurately. In conclusion, Nolo Family Law documents provide strong value. They simplify complex legal processes, save money, and empower individuals to handle family law matters with confidence and legal security.